How's it, Simon here from Perfect Pools? I'm busy with a brand new pool, and okay, I see the pool's covered. So before I carry on, let me quickly take the cover off, and then I'll take you on the journey of this brand new pool. Well, not a brand new pool, but a pool that we're going to redo. Check this out. And the pool, the cover is off. So I'm going to just quickly show you the close-ups. We're going to drain the pool later, but the reason the customer actually wants to redo it, they're going to do the tiling, new copings, and then obviously I'll show you inside with a close-up that the marble plaster has already started to fade, discolor, and there's some marks on it. Let me go and show you some underwater footage. Check this out. So as you can see, some marks at the bottom of the pool, but for now that's the pool. I'll take some pictures and videos when the pool's drained and when we can see some close-up pictures, and then take you on the journey. So stay tuned, don't go away, and remember to follow us on our Facebook, YouTube and TikTok accounts. All the links will be below in the description. Until next time, bye. Morning, Sam here from Perfect Pools. I'm here at the job in Durbanville. It was a bit of a problem because between the last time and today there was about a week of rain. We've replastered the pool, we've changed some of the things like the steps and so on. Like you can remember in the previous video, there were some issues, but this is what we're dealing with at the moment. I'll try and zoom in underneath here to try and see if you can see under the coping, but we are still busy with it. So we're doing the laminating today, and then tomorrow we'll start with the top coat and so on, and then wait for the guys to finish off. This is an interesting one because the customer is getting automatic pool cover as well. So if you can see in the corners there, I'll try and put some emojis or arrows on the video where the customers will put the pool cover. So I'll keep you up to date. Until next time, see you, bye. Simon here from Perfect Pools, and we are finished with the pool. It's the first sunny day here in Durbanville, and I can tell you that we are super excited. This is the final look at the swimming pool. Obviously a little bit cloudy because we had some huge rainstorms. Pool a little bit dirty, but all in all looking absolutely fantastic. I'll try and give you some aerial videos in a few seconds, but there we go. From my side, until next time, I'll see you with our next video. Till next time, bye.